guys, Matt with Valdek Construction here. We're doing some finished carpentry, putting on the trims for the doors here, and I just want to show you how we're putting these on and what we're doing to measure. So basically I want a 1/8 inch reveal here on the door frame. So I measure up from the bottom 1/8 inch over the top of the door frame. And then what we'll do, we'll set our two sides, and to get our top to sit really nice, what we'll do, I already measured this at 35.5. So we got our piece set just like that. And sometimes these aren't always 45-degree angles. So to get this, I'm really going to mark, I'm gonna run my square up to our trim and just mark the edge. And I'll do that on both sides. Right here. So then we have these two marks. And what I'll do with those is I will basically take my square from the corner to my mark. Draw a line, and that's the angle I gotta cut it at. And then we'll cut those and put it on. All right, now we got our two ends cut, 45s, fine tune them just to see how they look, you know, get them all nicely fine tuned. So these are cut and they fit really nice. Now we're gonna install this. And what you see a lot with trim like this, especially in basements, you get a little bit of movement, and over time the trim separates. So what we're gonna use is a glue. It's an activator and a glue. So we will spray this activator on this side and apply the glue on this side. And this actually bonds within 3 to 10 seconds. So getting it on and getting it on right and exactly in the right spot is key. So we'll show you what we do there. So we'll spray this guy on. Down for now, and then put this glue onto these corners. There. And then we gotta set it on. So we gotta make sure we're tight. Looks good. Hold it for a couple seconds here. Make sure that's flush. And she's on there. I'm still gonna brad nail the top just for some added secureness, but she's not going anywhere. So that's how we install the door trim. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like our channel.